Hey, how's it going? So what kind of wood is Diggler going to play with today? Well, today we have a piece of Arbutus. Now this Arbutus is offcuts from other projects. So whenever I make a project, I always have tons of offcuts, and I hate to throw the material out. I'd rather just use it and do whatever I can with it rather than tossing it if I don't have to. And the offcuts, that what I'm going to make with the offcuts today is I'm going to make some toaster tongs. I love stocking up on them. They're a great market seller. If you haven't made them, you should. This project is of course going to be made on the CNC. So let's get busy. So the beauty of using offcuts is the piece is already flat, so I don't have to flatten it, which already takes one step off. Now here I'm using a 1/4 inch end mill bit to cut the shape. This is definitely one of those great things to make for markets because it only takes about 2.5 to 3 minutes to cut out one of these tongs. So 99% of the time when I cut something out on the CNC, I never go through the entire piece. I usually run it through the drum sander to get the piece free. The reason why I do that is I like to save my spoil board and keep it looking fairly new and making sure that it stays flat. Even sanding on this project is really quick. You could actually batch these out and it takes about 10 to 15 minutes of real full time to make one. So it's definitely a great project to have. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. It would mean a lot to me. Do me a favor, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've used toaster tongs or have you thought of gifting a set of toaster tongs to somebody? This is one of those projects that has a multi-purpose use. You can either use it as toaster tongs or even serving tongs for like charcuterie and stuff. Speaking of offcuts, what do you guys use your offcuts for? What kind of things do you make? Because I'm always looking for new things to make, and I'm always intrigued by what people make with their offcuts. And the best part of the entire build is seeing what it looks like when you dip it in mineral oil for the first time. Don't those look great? And they're super functional. Everybody loves them. So what are your thoughts? Thanks for watching. Diggler out.